This Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is designed for people who want powerful blending performance without sacrificing counter space, simplicity, or convenience, and it succeeds by combining strength, portability, and everyday practicality into a single compact appliance that feels purpose-built for modern lifestyles. With its 700-watt motor base and signature pulse technology, this personal blender positions itself as far more than a basic smoothie maker, acting as a reliable solution for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, sauces, and even light food prep, all while maintaining a minimalist footprint that fits effortlessly into small kitchens, apartments, dorms, or office break rooms. What immediately sets the Ninja Fit apart is its balance between raw power and ease of use, offering professional-level blending strength in a format that feels intuitive and unintimidating even for first-time users. From a performance standpoint, the Ninja Fit truly shines in its ability to break down whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice with impressive consistency. Thanks to the combination of its high-speed motor and sharp blade assembly engineered for nutrient extraction. Unlike many personal blenders that struggle with frozen ingredients or fibrous produce, this blender handles frozen berries, ice cubes, and leafy greens with confidence, producing smooth, drinkable results rather than chunky or uneven textures. This capability makes it especially appealing for health-conscious users who want to retain as much nutritional value as possible from their ingredients. Since the blender is designed to extract vitamins and nutrients from parts of fruits and vegetables that are often discarded, such as skins and seeds, delivering fuller flavor and more complete nutrition in every blend point. One of the most practical features of the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is its single-serve, blend-and-go design, which allows users to blend directly inside the 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups and then attach the included spout lids for immediate portability. This eliminates the need for extra containers, reduces cleanup time, and makes it incredibly easy to incorporate smoothies or protein shakes into busy routines, whether heading to the gym, commuting to work, or managing a fast-paced household schedule. The cups feel sturdy and well-made. The spout lids seal securely, and the overall design emphasizes convenience without feeling flimsy or disposable, which is an important consideration for users who plan to rely on this blender daily. In terms of usability, the push-to-blend pulse operation is refreshingly simple, removing unnecessary buttons or complicated settings in favor of direct, hands-on control that gives users immediate feedback during blending. This intuitive approach not only reduces the learning curve, but also allows for greater precision, as users can pulse ingredients to their desired consistency rather than relying on preset programs that may overblend or underblend certain recipes. The compact size of the motor base further enhances its appeal, as it fits comfortably on almost any countertop without dominating the space, making it ideal for kitchens where efficiency and organization are priorities. Durability and maintenance are also strong points for the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, as all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, significantly reducing the effort required to keep the appliance clean and ready for use. This ease of cleaning is often overlooked but plays a critical role in long-term satisfaction, especially for users who blend daily and want a product that supports healthy habits rather than adding friction to their routine. The inclusion of a 50-recipe inspiration guide adds extra value, offering creative ideas for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks that help users fully explore the blender's capabilities while avoiding the boredom that can come from repetitive recipes. When evaluating overall value, the Ninja Fit stands out as a versatile, high-performance personal blender that effectively replaces multiple kitchen appliances, including smoothie makers, small blenders, juicer machines, milkshake makers, and ice crushers, all within a compact and affordable package. It is particularly well-suited for individuals who prioritize speed, efficiency, and nutrition, offering a streamlined solution that fits seamlessly into active lifestyles without requiring extensive prep time or cleanup. While it may not replace a full-size countertop blender for large batch recipes or heavy-duty food processing, it excels in its intended role as a personal, single-serve blending powerhouse that delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful 700-watt motor delivers smooth, consistent blends even with frozen ingredients and ice. Compact design saves counter space and suits small kitchens or minimalist setups that blend-and-go single-serve cups enhance convenience for busy lifestyles. Effective nutrient extraction supports healthier smoothies and drinks that BPA-free. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleaning and maintenance. Cons: limited to single-serve portions, not ideal for large batch blending that NO variable speed settings beyond pulse operation, can be loud during heavy blending tasks, not designed for advanced food processing like dough or nut butter. Final verdict: the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender delivers an impressive blend of power, portability, and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking quick, nutritious drinks without cluttering their kitchen or complicating their routine. Its strong motor, efficient nutrient extraction, and on-the-go design make it especially appealing for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and health-focused individuals who want reliable performance in a compact form. If you're looking for a personal blender that consistently delivers smooth results, saves time, and supports an active lifestyle, this is a smart and practical investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.